Have you ever heard that whitening weakens your enamel? Or that baking soda is safe and a natural way to whiten your teeth? If you do, you might be falling for some common myths. There are a lot of misinformation out there about teeth whitening. Some methods can actually damage your teeth, while others are completely ineffective. So what really works? Professional white teeth treatments are safe and effective when done correctly, but do-it-yourself methods like baking soda or lemon juice can actually erode your enamel, making your teeth much more sensitive in the long run. So you do not want to use baking soda or lemon juice for that. Stay away of that, or you will damage your teeth. If you want a whiter smile without damaging your teeth, always consult a dentist. Want to know the best and safest whitening options? Drop a comment below and I can answer your questions.